guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today's video is going to be from UNice Hair. As you guys can see from the packaging, they sent me this lovely closure wig and also with some goodies in the box, and this is what the hair looks like. This hair is so beautiful. So here are the goodies they sent to me. This is like a headband in case you don't want to, I guess in case you don't want to, like, I don't know, lay the wig down with good to be. So yeah, so here I am plucking the hairline, sorry, just a little bit of plucking. I didn't do too much plucking though, just a little bit, and using my hot comb to push the hair backwards. This hair is so beautiful. It's so lush. I decided to comb the hair for the first time. That was a big fail, but anyways, this hair is so beautiful. I love it. It's really soft. It's just flowing. It's just like a nice closure wig that in case you want to take a break from a frontal. But yeah, I'm just using my got2b to lay the top bit down just so you can lay flat as possible. And this cream part I got here is so nice. It has like 3 levels to it. So here I am just clipping the hair, guys. Yeah, I spent almost 2 hours doing this. Never again. But yeah, this hair is so beautiful. It's so lush. It just flows. The density is perfect. It's thick from top to bottom. And yeah, the hair is just so beautiful. This hair installation was so quick. When I tell you guys, like, it was so quick. And this is the hair all crimped up. Girl, this hair is looking fine. Hello, you see that lace? Oh my gosh, that lace is so perfect. I feel like the lace is what I really love the most about this hair. The lace is so thin, it melts in perfectly. I don't know how many times I've said it in this video, but it's just the lace for me. It's the lace for me. So anyways, I'm using alcohol to clean the part I'm gonna lay down, and I did 2 layers of got2b. So that's not a lot, but yeah, it still held the hair down for at least 4 days, I believe. Yeah, so what you guys are seeing here, even though you can't see clearly, is me as I'm blow drying it. I was using the rat tail comb to push the hair backwards just so it can lay, the lace can actually melt in perfectly. And obviously using my elastic band, using a bit of mousse to, you know, lay the part I did rough whilst I was wearing the elastic band down. And I used a bit of mousse on the front as well. Can you guys see what I'm saying? So when you use the dryer to push the hair backwards, it gives you that effect and it lays in perfectly as well. So anyways, I'm just using mousse to like lay down the part where I actually messed up, and using my fine tooth comb to, you know, slay everything down and good. And the hot comb as well. The hot comb is always your best friend to lay your parting down, to lay your hair down, to give it that slick look. You know, the hot comb, if you don't have one, please invest in one. Please, honey, invest in one, okay? So look at what I'm saying about you pushing the hair backwards whilst you're blow drying it. It just melts it down perfectly. Please excuse me, tell me where the lace is at on my head. Apart from you seeing me cutting it, please let me know where the lace is at. Hello, can you see the lace? I cannot see it. This lace is actually so nice. Like, it just melts in well. Like, it's the lace for me, honestly. So here I am just cutting some baby hairs. You know, let's do some baby hairs. I really love baby hairs. Like, I'm such a fan of baby hairs. So anyways, I've laid my baby hairs down now. I'm gonna use my scarf to tie it down, and voila, I'm gonna keep quiet now and let you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for giving me scalp, honey. Like, I'm loving this lace. This lace is really nice. Like, it's giving me what it's supposed to give. Okay, you know when you get your hair done and you're just feeling yourself, and you just, you know, you just love the way the hair just slayed. And you guys, like, this hair installation was so quick. Like, you guys saw it, like, it was so quick. The fact that the creams were not holding has nothing to do with the hair. Like, the hair is good. It's a decent lace wig, lace closure wig, sorry. Today was the first time I crimped hair, so maybe I wasn't patient enough. I don't know, maybe I'll still try it sometime anyways, but not anytime soon, to be fair, because I spent almost 2 hours like crimping the hair for it to come out like this. I was expecting this effect. I don't know, but I feel like it's just my fault. It has nothing to do with the hair. The hair is really decent. As I showed you guys earlier on, I did my baby hairs, which you can't even see them anymore. But obviously, just lay your hair and push it backwards, just so you know you're not like it's not lingering around out at the corners, let's say. I really like the method I used to lay my lace today. I feel like it just lays it down, like it just boom there, okay, and it's giving what it's supposed to give, which is what we want. So that's a very good thing. And I like the hair as well. It's really nice. It's a decent lace closure wig. This is a very good alternative if you want to take a break from frontals, yeah, which I think I need, because I've been doing frontals back to back. I mean, frontals are nice and decent and all that stuff, but sometimes you need to let your edges breathe, and you do like a nice closure wig. Let's get into the hair specs, shall we? Yeah, I really love the lace. The lace is really thin, like it really melts into your skin. Yeah, I bleached it not off camera though, because obviously you guys see that routine every single time, so I just don't want the video to be unnecessarily long. So I bleached the knots off camera, which the knots bleach to perfection. I also define my parting off camera though, just so I can see what I'm doing properly. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, because I'm still trying to figure out my whole filming setting again. As you guys can see, I have a new background. I'm gonna leave all the hair specs and information in the description box down below in case I forget to mention anything. So the density of the hair is really decent for a lace closure wig. So tangles is really minimal, as well as shedding. Yeah, the hair is so slick, no dramatic flyaways, because that's one thing that really gets on my nerves. Like I hate when you've laid the hair down and it's still sticking up. Nah, this one is really flat. As you guys can see, my hair, it don't move, okay? Thank you guys so much, and thank you to UNice Hair for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Stay tuned to see if I'm gonna crimp hair again, which I'm gonna do it on camera, because in case I'm doing something wrong, someone should please correct me. And yeah, because we're all here to learn. If you guys know any other method for me to crimp hair and it's gonna stay in place, please let me know in the comment section down below, okay? And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one.